Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we will talk about how you can download any latest version or any older version of Ubuntu in the Windows and how you can install in VirtualBox. Okay, so first of all I would tell you how you can download easily any kind of ISO file from Ubuntu official website. So without wasting any time, let's start and see how we can download. So suppose you want to download Ubuntu 22 version, that is not actually latest. Okay, so you just need to type Ubuntu 22 version download ISO. Okay, once you type like this, you will see the first official website is showing about the Ubuntu 22 version. Okay, and simply you just need to click here, and this is for desktop and this is for server is for definitely for a manageable purpose, but if you want to use desktop user friendly, just simply click on here, and it's going to download the new file, ISO file. Now suppose you want a latest version of Ubuntu, and you just want to test on your environment, so just type Ubuntu ISO download. Okay, once you type like this, it's going to show you the website, and once you click here, you will see the very latest version, that is Ubuntu 24.0.4.2 LTS is available. Okay, you just need to simply click here, and it's going to be download 5.9 GB file, and once you download, you can simply start the installation part. But suppose you already have downloaded, or you just downloaded the file, and now we can carry on for installation part. So you just need to install VirtualBox, and if you don't know where to install, I'm going to show you. Type VirtualBox download for Windows. Okay, you can just simply click on the first official website from VirtualBox, and yep, you can see here this is for all the Windows host, Mac, Linux, Solaris. So it's just simple to download. Okay, you can just simply download and install it. It will ask normal installation steps, no need to define any sort of core settings to install. Okay, so once you install, you will see an interface like this, and I already have installed Windows operating system, so let's start Linux one. So I'm going to click new, and here I need to define all the parameters that I actually want in this operating system. Okay, so first of all, Ubuntu, where I just need to install. Okay, Ubuntu _ 22. Okay, now I'm going a little bit down, and you can define ISO file as well, and this folder is very important. You just need to define, else it is going to be contain your C drive, your user folder. Okay, so here ISO file, you can simply if you have downloaded, you can choose from here. So I can choose simply, okay, which is already in download section. Now okay, so it is moving. Let me just choose this one as well. So it's just Debian. Okay, because Linux, Debian, and then in attended install, here we can define user, that is admin, and then password. Okay, once you define the password, you can see here hostname is not selecting the exact one, so I'm going to remove some sort of extra words. Okay, now it's correct, and let's move on further. Here you can define memory, what exactly memory you want to allot for this operating system, and processor as well. So if we have multiple processor in your hardware, in your laptop or desktop, you can simply allot multiple, but now I'm okay with the single core processor. Okay, let's move on further, and let's see. Here you have to define the hard disk, what exactly amount of disk space you want to allot. Okay, now it is asking for 20 GB. Okay, so I have this much of space in my particular location or C drive, so it's fine. Else you have to just make a space, or you change the this folder wherever you have space, I mean C drive, D drive, or E drive, anywhere. Now the other part is, if you have already defined this, that's fine. If you want to extend it, this is also fine. If you have a existing hard disk, then you can simply just click on here and choose the same hard disk that is available in your sort of environment. Now these are already defined and simple. Let's click to finish and let's see what happens. Okay, so I just clicked, it's going to start, and let's see what's going on the screen part. Let's wait for a moment. In between, if you like the video, kindly do subscribe, share, and ask if you still have any question or query in between. Okay, so here you can see I'm going to expand it, and first of all it was showing for the install. Okay, now let's see what options we are getting. These are just for informational purpose, so I'm just clicking to close. Yeah, we are installing in user friendly mode, it means GUI mode, so it will take some sort of minutes to load everything and show you how it works. Okay, so first let's see what screen we are getting and what settings we have to do. Okay, perfect. We can see the installation process is started. Okay, verifying the installation configurations and all. So it will take possibly 10 to 15 minutes to completely install the everything. So in between I'm pausing the video and will continue once it is going to be complete. Okay, so now it is asking me to define the password. So the username you entered admin is reserved for the used by the system, please select different one. Okay, so this is already defined user, so I'm choosing a different name. Okay, now admin 2 password, define. Okay, now let's continue. Possibly it won't ask any more questions or any steps, so let's wait some more time. Okay, so finally guys, OS is already installed. Now I'm going to click admin and putting my preset password to login. Let's wait. Okay, so finally we are in the machine and the OS is completely installed. Okay, now these are just sort of previews of welcome screen, and you can set up anything. If you don't want, just click no, wait. Okay, so that's all. And if you want to do any installation, pre-installation from these pointers, you can simply do that. This is a software, and you can see the Slack code and everything is simply available. So it's a very easy to install and use. Now in next video I will talk about how you can secure your operating system. Okay, how you can secure ports, firewall, and all kind of sort of loopholes to if something you are saving in the machine, how you can save it for a long time. So okay, let's wait. And okay, thanks for the joining, and have a nice day. Bye.